Hey Eris,
Yeah?
what are we going to try today?
I don't know.
What is this?
I don't know.
We have some Jelly Belly Enchanted Mix. Right? It has berry blue, blueberry, bubblegum, cream soda, orange, sour apple, and very cherry. Alright, go ahead and give it a try. I don't know which one that was, but is it good? What's it taste like?
I don't know.
You don't know what that tastes like? Is it good though? Would you eat more? So do you think other people would like it?
Yeah.
You do? What color are you gonna eat now? We'll see. What color is it? You having trouble?
No.
I think you are.
No, I'm not. It's stuck.
It's stuck?
Yeah.
Here, want me to help you?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get you. Do. There's a couple. They're pink or purple or something.
Yeah.
Alright, give them a try. What do you think?
Yeah.
Still good?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a thumbs up. Profis. Adios.
Yes.
Hasta luego.
Lego.
Loquias. Bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.